Okay, this is to help you with your homework tonight. If I'm starting to talk about addition, I want to add 12 to both numbers, so I have -1 plus 12 is less than 8 plus 12. -1 plus 12 is 11. 11 is less than 20. Is that true? Yes, I keep the symbol. I'm going to do one more. I have to add -3 to both numbers. So I have -4 minus 3. That's adding -3 is greater than or equal to -7 minus 3. -4 minus 3 is -7. Greater than or equal to -10. Is -7 greater or equal to -10? Yes, so I keep it. Rocco is going to explain the next one. Tell us what to do here, Rocco.
Okay, so
Nice
5 is less than 12, so you're supposed to add 1. So 5, and then is greater than 12, and then plus 1 is 6, and then greater than, and then plus 1, whoopsie, is 13,
Okay.
and 13 is greater than 6, so you keep.
Good. In other words, 6 is less than 13, right?
Yeah.
Good. That's okay. No, you're fine. Try the next one.
Okay. 8 is greater than -3, and you're supposed to add -5. So -5, 8 is greater than -3, and then you're supposed to add -5 each side, and then that equals +3.
And don't forget this. This was you're fine. Just keep the yellow arrow down. Just don't forget that this was adding a negative.
Oh yeah.
You're fine.
And then positive and greater than, and then it's -2.
Is it -2?
Oh wait.
You're right. It's 2.
Yeah.
What is there more of? The positive. Oh, this is a negative, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. Are they both negatives?
Oh yeah.
So we would find the sum?
Yeah. So
Okay.
it's +8. No,
-3. Yes, -8. So just cross out your -2 and write -8.
-8.
So is 3 greater than -8?
Yes.
Yeah, it's still true. Keep it. Now tell us, what did you write on the bottom of your homework? What pattern did you notice about addition? Do we ever reverse the sign? No, that's what I want you to write down there. So Rocco's writing an addition. That's good. You're doing great. You never reverse the sign, right? Nice job, Rocco. Okay, click this. Click the mouse. And then click pause.